Introducing the ultimate Swiss Army knife of credit card-sized multi-tools, the Universal 3.0 Credit Card Multi-Tool. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and packing a whopping 60 tools in one, this sleek and durable gadget is a game-changer for everyday carry. So, what can you do with this powerhouse of a tool? The possibilities are endless. From opening bottles, cans, and boxes to tightening screws and bolts, measuring distances and angles, cutting and sawing through materials, starting a fire, and even signaling for help using its built-in mirror, the Universal 3.0 Credit Card Multi-Tool has got you covered. And here's the best part. With a thickness of only 2 millimeters, this multi-tool is incredibly easy to carry and store. Whether it's in your wallet, pocket, or backpack, you'll hardly even notice it's there. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying case that keeps it safe and organized, so you'll always have the right tool for the job. Hey there, outdoor adventurers and survivalists. If you've ever worried about finding safe drinking water in the wild, worry no more. Introducing the portable water filtration straw. This little marvel is your ticket to clean drinking water straight from natural sources like lakes, streams, and rainwater. No more lugging around bulky filters or relying on purification tablets. This straw is compact enough to slip into your pocket or backpack, so you can stay hydrated on all your adventures. Its advanced ultrafiltration technology tackles bacteria, parasites, and cysts, ensuring that every sip is clean and refreshing. With a whopping filtering capacity of up to 2,000 liters of water, this little straw punches way above its weight. And starting at just $38, it's an affordable must-have for anyone who loves the great outdoors. Introducing the Superlight Sleeping Mat, the ultimate balance of warmth, portability, and durability. This mat is a dream come true for backpackers who refuse to compromise on comfort. Nicknamed Superlight for good reason, it weighs in at a mere 18 ounces, making it one of the lightest options on the market. This mat is built to last. With air chambers shaped to reduce weight while still providing stability and support, you'll sleep like a baby no matter where your adventures take you. With 2 layers of heat-reflective film to trap warmth on chilly nights, you'll stay cozy and comfortable all year round. And thanks to its nylon fabric with TPU lamination, this mat is built to withstand whatever the wilderness throws your way. The Superlight Sleeping Mat can be yours for just around $150, and trust us, it's worth every penny. If you're a backpacker or minimalist camper, chances are you've heard of Soto, the Japanese brand renowned for its top-of-the-line outdoor stoves. And one of their standout products? The portable stove. Its compact size and lightweight design make it the perfect companion for any adventure. But what really sets this stove apart is its unique concave burner head design. This innovative feature increases wind resistance, ensuring reliable performance even in less than ideal weather conditions. No more struggling to light your stove on windy days. With the portable stove, you can count on a hot meal no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, this stove is built to last. And while it may cost up to $150, ready to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. Introducing a game-changer in off-grid laundry, the portable Washback. Designed to redefine how we clean clothes without relying on electricity, this portable and durable bag features an internal flexible washboard, empowering users to manually wash clothes with ease using just soap and water. Compact in size and lightweight in design, it's the perfect companion for backpacking, travel, or any situation where traditional washing machines are unavailable. No more bulky appliances or power cords, just a simple, effective solution for keeping your clothes clean and fresh on the go. Introducing the Ecto Chair, a game-changer in camp seating with its groundbreaking cooling and optional heating capabilities. This portable chair takes outdoor comfort to the next level by integrating a compact pump system and thermal tubing that circulates water for personalized temperature control. Campers can now draw ice-cold water from their cooler to create a refreshing cooling sensation on hot days, or utilize a small heater for added warmth during chilly evenings. The Ecto Chair also comes equipped with features like a cup holder for added convenience and an optional sunshade to protect you from harsh rays. Whether you're lounging by the campfire, enjoying a picnic in the park, or simply soaking up the sun at the beach, the Ecto Chair ensures you stay comfortable and cozy in any outdoor setting. Welcome to the ultimate barbecue experience with Nomad Grill's Barbecue Base Camp 3. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, tailgating at the game, or simply enjoying a backyard barbecue with friends and family, the Barbecue Basecamp 3 is your go-to grill for all occasions. Featuring a rugged construction that can withstand the elements and the rigors of outdoor cooking. With its compact size and lightweight design, it's easy to transport and set up wherever. With its innovative design and high-quality construction, the Barbecue Basecamp 3 is sure to become your favorite outdoor cooking companion. From searing steaks to smoking brisket, this grill can do it all. Introducing the Flounder, the titanium multi-tool pendant for everyday carry. The Flounder is here to change the game. This sleek and stylish pendant is not only a fashion statement, but also a highly functional multi-tool that you can wear every day. Crafted from durable titanium, the Flounder packs an impressive array of tools into a compact design. From screwdrivers and wrenches to bottle openers and pry bars, this multi-tool has everything you need to tackle life's challenges on the go. The Flounder's titanium construction means it's lightweight and corrosion-resistant, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. Calling all fishing enthusiasts and adventurers. Get ready to revolutionize your fishing experience with Ward.my's Catch and Capture, the all-in-one travel fishing system designed for shore, boat, ice, and snorkel fishing. And yes, it even lets you equip your action cam for the ultimate angling adventure. With Catch and Capture, you're equipped for every fishing scenario imaginable. Whether you're casting from the shore, trolling from a boat, drilling holes in the ice, or exploring the underwater world with snorkel fishing, the Catch and Capture system includes everything you need for a successful fishing trip, from specialized rods and reels to tackle boxes packed with lures and baits. And with the option to equip your action cam, you can capture every thrilling moment of your fishing expedition to relive and share with friends and family.